saw a part of separation, you are going to leave it because this is a mixture of everything. Okay. So, these long questions. Okay. Just a minute. I'll just share the other PDF as well. Okay, so one by one we'll be doing. First of all, it's the 1 marker question. I hope you both can see my screen, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now the first question we will not do this because that's not important. Okay, then after that, over here you have to classify which is homogeneous and which is heterogeneous. Okay, soda, water, wood, air, soil, vinegar, and filtered tea. Homogeneous means same. Soda, water, no matter, like for example, you drank one sip, it's same. Second sip, it's same. Air, same. Vinegar, same. Filtered tea, same. Right? But wood is a heterogeneous one. Why? Because in wood you have different particles. Right? And in soil also, you will get so many particles. Different particles, right? And soil can be different types. Some is black soil, some is white, red soil, some is silt one. So you have so many types of soil. So that's why it is a part of heterogeneous mixture. Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Now, how would you confirm that the colorless liquid given to you is a pure water? Okay. So if we allow the given liquid to evaporate by heating it as in a clean china dish, so any residue remaining in the china dish will indicate the water is not pure but contains impurities. No residue in china dish will indicate that the water is pure. Is it clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now, which of the following material falls in the category of pure substance? Ice, milk, iron, hydrochloric acid, calcium oxide, mercury, bricks, wood, air. Okay. So over here, pure substance are ice, iron, hydrochloric acid, calcium oxide, and mercury. Clear? Because they don't they don't have anything extra. It's basically they are made up of one type. Okay. First, I will explain you, then I'll give you time to study. Plus, I'll just share this PDF, so don't worry. Okay. From this chapter, you will be getting these type of questions only, right? So, next is identify the solution among the following mixture. So, soil, seawater, air, coal, and soda water. So, seawater, right? It's a solution. Air and soda water are solution. Clear? Why seawater is solution? Because seawater, you have water as well as salt is mixed over there, right? And air is also full of gases. So many gases are there. Plus soda water. They all are solution. Then which of the following will show Tyndall effect? Salt solution, milk, copper sulfate solution, and the starch. So milk and starch solution have larger particles since they are not true solution. So they will show Tyndall particles because Tyndall effect is shown when objects are larger. So over here salt solution, nothing. But milk, you have the larger particles, as well as in the starch solution you have the larger particles. Then next one, classify the following into element, compound, and mixture. Right? So over here, this is again important. See, element, sodium, silver, silicon, tin, coal. Compound, calcium, carbonate, soap, methane, carbon dioxide. Mixture, soil, sugar, solution, air, blood, etc. This is what you have to remember, that this is a mixture, this is a compound, this is an element. You know what is compound, you know what is mixture, you know what is element, right? So accordingly you will do. And then Which of the following are chemical changes? Very, very important. Growth of plant, rusting of iron, mixing of iron filling in sand, cooking of food, digestion of food, freezing of water, burning of candle. So rusting of iron is a chemical change. Cooking of food, digestion of food, burning of candle are the chemical changes. Clear? Then, which of the following the solution scatter light? So, see, colloidal solution as well as suspension, they both do. Then, this one is not, separation passes is not there. Cooking food and the digestion food, both are physical process or chemical. So, both are chemical process because once the food is cooked, it is chemically because over there heat is being used, water is being used. That's why it is done. Digestion in food itself, it is a chemical process because in your body you have a chemical which is HCl, right, which break down the food. Then mercury and bromine are both. They are liquid, very, very important. Liquid at the room temperature, right? Then blood and seawater are both are mixture because in blood you have different RBC, white blood cells, so many things. Seawater you have salt, water, so they are both are mixture. Then Sol and gel are example of both. This was a table which we did. So solution is a solid, liquid, colloidal, and gel is a liquid solid, colloidal. Okay. And then in a water sugar solution is a solid, liquid, colloidal. You have a table, girls, if you remember. Yes, in the notes we did it. There is a table in your NCRT as well. There is a table where it's like there's given like gel. It's a collision of what? So from this chapter, high number of one markers are there, and these are only one mark. Then bromine and carbon, they are metalloids. Clear? So I'm
Yes,
sharing.
ma'am.
So now these are the questions. So first of all, you will quickly read them out, and then we'll discuss the 2 mark. Okay.
Ma'am, can you please scroll down? 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 Sorry, done, ma'am.
Okay. Now let's just do the 2 mark. Okay. First of all, what do you mean by substance? So substance can be defined as that kind of matter when consistent particles cannot be separated from each other by any physical process since they are all similar in chemical properties. Then how will you separate a mixture containing kerosene and petrol? Difference into a boiling point is more than 25 degrees Celsius, which are miscible with each other. So how you will do it? When we separate, the separation will not come. So leave it. Then again this, what type of mixture are separated? No, this is not. What is mixture? What are the various type? You know, mixture contain more than more substance, homogeneous, heterogeneous. Very important, solute, solvent and solution. So it is a component of solution which is added to solvent. It is the component of the solution to which solute is added to its dissolve the solute. And for example, it is a consistent by solute and solvent. Example, solution of NaCl minus and NaCl are as solute and the water as solvent. Then what is the solution? Just a minute, Surya. Okay. Now this is a yeah. What is solution? So a solution is a homogeneous mixture of two or more substance. The various properties of solution are, first of all, it is homogeneous. The particles of solution are smaller than 1. This is very important, students. Okay, 1 nm and hence cannot be seen by the naked eyes. It does not scatter the beam of light passing through it. And D, the components of solution cannot be separated from each other by the process of filtration. Okay, very important again, element and compound. So it cannot be broken down. It can be broken down into elements by chemical and electrochemical reaction. It is made up by only one kind of atom. It is made up by more than one kind of atom. Example, copper, oxygen, iron, etc. Example, water, methane, sugar, etc. Then what is the Tyndall effect? Again, important. The scattering of beam light or by particle of solution when light is passed through it is called Tyndall effect. Those solution where size of the particle is very small, colloidal solution shows Tyndall effect. Okay. Then difference between homogeneous heterogeneous, you will just read it. I know you people can do it. Centrifugation not important because this is against suspension. What is suspension? So suspension is basically a heterogeneous mixture with in which solute particles do not dissolve but remain suspended through the bulk of the media. First of all, you can, for example, soil in water, it cannot be mixed. That is a suspension. Okay, example of suspension. Then particles can be seen by naked eyes. They scatter a beam of light passing through it. The particles settle down when left undisturbed. Clear?
Yes.
Now you will quickly read, then we'll do the 3 marker as well. Students, it's all about your notes. If you have read your notes, you can answer anything because from this chapter, there are very less chances they will be asking you tricky questions.
Ma'am, can you please scroll down? 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 Done, ma'am. Done, ma'am.
Okay. Jeba, you are also done, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Jasleen? Jasleen, I can't hear you. Okay. Now this is for 3 marks. So you will just add one more point. Okay. Then again with example. So you'll just read the example. Then solution. This is very important. Solution, soul, solution, and suspension. Right? So it has dispersed phase and the dispersion phase. It has soluble, solute, and solvent phase. It has insoluble, solute suspended in the solute medium. Then it appears homogeneous, but it's heterogeneous. It is homogeneous. It is heterogeneous. Particles are visible with the help of electron microscope. Particles are not visible by all means. Particles are visible by naked eyes. Particle size is this. Particle size is less than this. Particle size is more than this. Gold, SOL, milk of magnesium. Sugar solution, salt solution. Example, muddy river, water, dust storm, all this. Okay. Then this you will read it because I know that you people know this formula, concentration percentage, right? Then these are the this question definitely you will get. You have to classify between the chemical and the physical change. These are the chemical, these are the physical change. Separation, just leave it, right? Then okay, this is, yeah, this one is also important, right? Then this question is very very important. Okay. And then like you have to read it in a very good way. This again important. Okay. Though separate part you don't have to do it. Then this is very important. Again the question come because from this chapter you will definitely get how to calculate mass percentage of solution. Okay. Then this metal non-metal mixture compound. Then this is not a part of your thing. Chromatography, no. Crystallization, no. This is again important. Okay, that's it. Clear? So I will scroll it down one by one, read it again and again because these are the only question you will be getting. Only question in itself, like two questions they'll merge and they'll form one question, but not anything apart from this. If your topics are clear related to this, then definitely you can score very well.
Ma'am, can you please scroll down? 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 Done, ma'am. Ma'am, can you please scroll down? Ma'am, can you please scroll down? Done, ma'am.